how to find the general solution to a non-homogeneous second-order differential equation that includes a trigonometric function. Now we first start with finding the complementary function, or also known as the CF, where we start to form this auxiliary equation of the right of the left-hand side, where we use the coefficients. As you know, a equals 1, b equals 6, and c equals 9, which allows us to form a quadratic equation. We have x squared plus 6x plus 9. And then we try to find the roots, where we have x plus 3 squared, or x plus 3 times x plus 3, where the roots equal to, where x equals to -3, and therefore we put it in the form of y equals a plus bx times e to the power of -3x. That's the first part. But as you know, we have a non-homogeneous equation, so we need to find the particular integral, also known as the PI. Now, what we do is we try a cosine 3t, so we're just using 3t, a cosine 3t plus b sine 3t, and then we find the derivatives, where we have dy over dx equals to -3a sine 3t plus 3b cosine 3t. We just said that. And then we differentiate again, so we have d squared x over dt squared, which equals to -9a cosine 3t. Take away negative, or take away 9b sine 3t, which we then substitute these equations into the main equation, where we have -9 a cosine 3t, take away 9b sine 3t, take away 18 a sine 3t plus 18 b cosine 3t plus 9 cosine 3t plus 9b sine 3t, which equals to cosine 3t. And then we collect the coefficients of cosine and sine, where we have 9a plus 9a plus 18b. So I'll highlight it. Oh, oops. As you know, negative 9a plus 9a cancels out. Oh, don't forget this part over here, that coefficient is 1, so this equals 1. But yeah, negative 9a plus 9a cancels out, so we have an 18b equals 1, which then gives us b equals 1 over 18. And then we find the coefficient of sine. We group them together, so we have negative 9, sorry, not the coefficient of sine, but group up together the coefficients of sine. So we have negative 9b plus 9b, take away 18a, equaling to 0 because there's 0 coefficients of sine. Where we have 18a equals 0, a equals 0. Which we then substitute. We would then add the particular integral with the complementary function to then give us the general solution, or GS for short, where we have this answer where we substitute b into the particular integral, 118 times sine 3t, 0 times cosine 3t is 0, so that's cancelled out. And then we form this equation over here, y equals a plus bx times 3e to the power of negative 3x plus 1 over 18 times sine 3t.